Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the MyFitnessPal app to track all of your food, and the meal that I've chosen today to show you is just regular homemade burgers. Now you can see that I've got the ingredients out here. I've got the 2 burgers that I'm going to be eating, the rolls that I'll be having as well, a bit of cheese and some barbecue sauce as well. So what you need to start off with is always a food scale, okay? And the main reason we're going to use a food scale today is for the barbecue sauce, because it has got calories in, and I'll show you how you can track that. But using the MyFitnessPal app on your phone, you'll be able to use the barcode scanner to get the correct nutrient information into the app so that you can begin to track everything. So this is going to be an example of how you can weigh any sauces. This applies to not only sauces, but actual jars. So maybe if you're trying to weigh peanut butter or some strawberry jam, whatever it is, even mayonnaise sometimes in a jar, you can get that. You can use this method to weigh it out accurately. So what you want to do is grab your food scale. And for this demonstration, I'm going to be using just a small little measuring bowl, really small. You're going to pop it on the scale first. Then you're going to turn it on and you're going to wait for it to show the reading 0. Now what that means is that it's not going to include the weight of the little bowl, but just anything that you add on top. So what I'm going to do is have a look at the back. I'm going to have 2 burgers, so I'm going to have 2 servings of sauce. So I'm going to change the unit from grams to milliliters just by pressing the unit button. And 2 servings is 30 milliliters. So I'm just going to weigh that out. So if you would like to come a little bit closer. Thank you. And you're slowly just going to pour it out. Now you can see it going up. So that's 8, 19. So just do it nice and slow so you don't go over. Just a bit more. And there you have it. That's how you weigh out your sauces. And you can do that again, like I said at the beginning, using mayo, peanut butter, or jam as well. Okay then guys, so what you want to do is download the MyFitnessPal app on either the App Store or the Google Play Store. And once you've done that, you'll find this icon here with the person jumping and the Under Armour icon. So what I want you to do is open up your MyFitnessPal. It will ask you to create an account either with Facebook or just with an email. Do whichever one you please. But what I need you to do is just try to skip through as many of the steps as possible when it asks you about your activity and putting your weight. Because what I want you to do for this video is just to start learning how to track the food. The calculations and the nutrition aspect will come at a later video. So once you have gotten to the home screen, this is what it would look like. You'll see some advertisements for some recipes. What I want you to do is navigate to the bottom of the screen where it says Diary, the second tab. Here is, as it says, your food diary for the day. And you'll see that it's broken down into many different sections. I want you to just ignore exercise and water, unless you do want to track how much water you're taking in, then of course you can just add that. But it's great to have these broken down because it's be easy for you to see how much you're eating at certain meals. And if you're finding that you're struggling to eat within your calories, you'll be able to see straight away from which meal, which part of the day you've been having the most amount of calories. So just for this example, I'm going to use any of the tabs, breakfast, lunch or dinner. I'll just go with lunch because it's in the middle. And what you want now is to have all of the food packages in front of you, similarly to how I showed you in the previous video. So you want to press add food and you'll see a search bar where you can actually search for the items. So you can see here's my history before, so some sour cream, some long grain rice. What I want you to focus on by the search bar is the barcode scanner. This is where you'll be able to scan all the foods directly without having to search for them. It's going to save you a lot of time. You can even do this at the supermarkets just to be really finicky on some of the foods that you would like to buy. So I'm going to press the barcode scanner. And now it will ask for your camera permission. Just accept it and start to scan the items. So you'll remember I already weighed out 30 milliliters of barbecue sauce. So you'll see here the serving size. You can select which one. I'm just going to stick with 15 because I followed just the 2 servings that it said on the bottle. So I'm going to change the number of servings to 2, tick, and the tick on the top, and that's going to add it to my diary now. And you can see that's 56 calories. I'm going to begin to add the other items. So what I've got here is the pack of cheese. I'm going to scan that. So you can see 1 slice is 52 calories. I'm only having 1 slice because I'm going to split it in half and put each half into each burger. Okay, we're going to press tick. Now, let's go with the bun. There we go. So I'm having 2 rolls. You can see each roll, all of its nutrition at the top. 25 grams, 2.1 grams of fat, 5.3 grams of protein, and per roll it's 146 calories. So I'm just going to change that to 2. And there you go. Press the tick. And now it's going to add it. The last part is the burgers. So those were frozen. I bought them from Aldi and I just froze them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for them. So it was the Aldi burgers. Let's see. That's the one here. Beef burgers from Aldi. So I'm having 2. No, that definitely wasn't the one. Aldi beef burgers. All right. There we go. Yeah. So 2 of these. I'm going to add it. And now you can see that this entire meal at the top is 900 calories, and that's just for the 2 burgers. So you can see where you can begin to pull some calories from certain meals, or whether or not you feel like you can add a little bit more, then you can add some more ingredients. But that's just a quick video and breakdown of how you can do that. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Cheers.